Hello friend, this is Abhishek Agarwal here, and in this particular tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a bevel gear in CATIA B5. Bevel gear is generally used to transmit a power between two shafts which are at certain angle or mostly at right angle. And in bevel gear, tooth are made on the conical profile surface, as you can see here. Now the teeth profile could be either a straight one like a spur gear or a helical one like a helical gear. In my last tutorial I have completed with the spur gear designing, and we can use the same figure to make a bevel gear also. So quickly go to file and open up our spur gear file, which is right over here. Click on OK. So here is the spur gear. Now in order to make a bevel gear, we have to delete certain operations like a pocket command we have to delete. We also need to delete a circular pattern command, but don't forget to uncheck this checkbox. And we also need to delete a pad command also. So we are left with the figure, the original sketch of teeth. Now what we need to do, we need to obtain a conical surface. For that we will go to a different workbench, that is a generative shape design, which is right over here. And we will first of all we will translate the figure. So go to insert, go to operation, select a translate command over here. Element would be our original sketch, direction would be along the X component, and let's take a distance of 40 mm, which is very okay. So click OK, we get a translated figure. Now we will scale it. So again go to insert, operation, select a scaling command over here. Element would be our translated figure. Reference would be let's take a reference of our origin. Yes, and the ratio would be 0.75 is enough. So if I hide the original one, you can see a scaled figure which is sufficient to make bevel gear. So click OK, and again go back to the part design workbench. Now we'll perform a multi-section solid command between these two figure. So select a command over here, select the first entity, select the second entity, make sure that closing point are in the same direction. Now click OK. So here we have obtained with the conical profile surface. Now next step would be to make a circular pattern of this tooth. So go to circular pattern command, select complete crown over here. The instant would be our number of teeth, which will be taking from the formula, and our reference element would be along X axis, object would be current solid. So click OK. So here is our bevel gear with a straight teeth over the periphery. If you want to create a helical gear, you can rotate the scaled figure by a certain degree, let's say a 15 degree or 20 degree. So in that order you will be getting a helix angle of 15 degree. So this is it. Now the last step would be to make a shaft hole. So select this particular surface over here and draw one circle. Let's give it a dimension of around 20 mm diameter. So exit from the sketch, go to pocket command, select up to last option over here and click OK. So here we are completed with the bevel gear. I hope you have understood all the operation that I have performed. In case of any query, clarification or doubt, please feel free to comment below. You can also write to me at abhishek.a32@gmail.com. And if you like my video, please subscribe me so that it will be encouraging for me to make more and more videos. Till then, thank you very much. Stay tuned.